ਆਓ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾਭਾ ਰਿਆਸਤ ਦੇ ਹੀਰਾ ਮਹਿਲ ਦੇ ਰਾਣੀ ਉਮਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਬੈਰੀਅਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਟ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਕੁ ਗੱਲ ਹੋ ਸਕੀ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਮੈਮ। You belong to Nepal royal family, right?
I belong to the Rana family.
Okay.
Rana family was the prime minister family of Nepal.
Okay.
So they were called Teen Sarkar. So Panch Sarkar is the main king,
Okay.
the Shah family. So, but the main running of the Nepal government, or whatever you may say at that time, with the king as the head, it was the prime minister who used to do it.
Hanji, hanji.
So that prime minister's family, the Ranas,
Hanji.
that line I'm from.
You're from and कौन सी year में आपकी शादी हुई इस family में?
I got married in 1976.
1976.
I just finished my 11th standard.
11th.
Yeah.
Too young.
Yeah, I was just about 17 and a half years old, I think, when I got married.
Yeah.
And then, but my in-laws, they were wonderful people. I couldn't have asked for better in-laws because they were so broad-minded, their thinking, that you could say from that young age, I grew up with them.
That's true.
Because what I am today, it's thanks to them.
जी.
Whether you talk about the manners, the everything, तो ये सब मैंने यहाँ शादी के बाद ही सीखा है।
That's true actually.
Because I was in the boarding school 10 साल वहाँ।
हाँ जी।
और 75 में पास आउट करना और 76 में शादी होना। तो मेरे तो पूरा you could say youth was with my in-laws.
आपको कभी ऐसा लगा कि you have never thought of the protocols of this royal family? जैसे होता है कि पहले मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि मैं इस फैमिली में जाऊंगी and all.
Yeah, I never thought. And it was an arranged marriage because I'm a Rajput. तो सब सोचते थे कि मेरी शादी तो एक राजपूत खानदान में होगी राजस्थान में।
हाँ जी।
But जब मेरे महाराज महारानी साहब met my parents, they both they fell for each other. I mean, उन दोनों में इतना लगाव हो गया कि ये शादी उन्हीं के कारण हुई। तो पहले तो हम शादी परिवार से करते थे।
ओके ओके।
पुराने ज़माने में we used to marry into a family,
Okay.
Not just the individual, the boy, because everyone used to stay in a joint family. आप समझे?
बिल्कुल न्यूक्लियर
तो
फैमिली
सबके you marry into the family, and you have that whole family, your husband, not only your husband, but your in-laws and everything. तो हमारा तो वैसे ही शुरू हुआ, and my good fate or whatever that I got such good in-laws,
बिल्कुल,
and a very good husband who's a thorough gentleman, and वैसे the family, Nabha family, whatever it is, they're very thorough gentlemen.
They are. हाँ जी.
Even my brothers-in-law and everyone. My elder brother-in-law Hanuman Singh ji and my husband Himmat Singh ji, they were the two sons of Nabha.
हाँ जी.
Because my middle brother-in-law was adopted in Dholpur.
Okay. So
he was the middle son, and my mother-in-law was the princess of Dholpur.
Okay.
She had no other brothers or sisters, anyone.
So they adopted.
Yeah. So her middle son
हाँ जी.
became Maharaj Dholpur.
Okay. हाँ जी. हाँ.
So that's how it is.
And Maharaja Himmat Singh ji, he is the youngest.
He's the youngest.
हाँ जी. Any good memory you want to share with us of this palace or your experience with the royal family?
With my in-laws?
Yeah.
What can I say? But whatever time I spent with them, I enjoyed that time thoroughly. And in fact, all about Guru Maharaj and all that, I got to know from them. Because for me, I was from like a Hindu background.
बिल्कुल, हाँ जी.
And when Guru Maharaj, I mean, he came into my life, my father used to always say, कोई ना कोई guru तो है, you will meet.
हाँ जी.
But this meeting was like worshipping Guru Maharaj.
बिल्कुल.
So it was a very big thing for me.
It's a big thing for us as well because you are not from the same background, but still you and
Yeah.
you guys are carrying it very gracefully.
Yes.
ये हमारा बहुत rich culture है, but आप
Yes.
आपकी family even आप इस चीज़ को ट्रेडिशन को बहुत अच्छे से फॉलो कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, we want to follow it
हाँ
the
जी,
correct way.
हाँ
See,
जी.
we are not from a total Sikh background,
हाँ जी.
but we are open to whatever guidance people will tell us. Anyone will tell us if we should be doing anything wrong, unknowingly.
हाँ जी.
जानबूझ के तो
नहीं,
because we want to uphold this tradition of this old family.
Even Rani
our
Preeti
family.
ji, she is also,
Yes.
she said the same thing कि
Yes.
वो भी उनको भी ऐसा लगता है कि she is from the Rajput background और उसके
Yes,
बाद
but we both, we belong to a family जो बहुत brothers, sisters.
बिल्कुल.
We knew how to share
हाँ जी.
and we knew how to care. और उसके ऊपर we got in-laws. Like whatever my mother-in-law, father-in-law gave me so much love and care. So that only I'll give my daughter-in-law ना.
नहीं
जो आपको मिलता है
बिल्कुल.
वही आप देते हो. So that's why I request everyone that जो भी हो, in-laws, चाहे mother-in-law and daughter-in-law, family should remain a family
जी.
and be together. See, we are different nature-wise, हम सब के अलग-अलग नेचर है.
बिल्कुल.
आपके अलग चॉइसेस हैं, मेरे अलग चॉइसेस हैं.
जी.
और परिवार में भी ऐसे ही होता है, सबके अलग चॉइसेस होते हैं. पर प्यार तो है ना.
जी.
We may not agree with the thing a person does, And I feel very happy that Preeti is my daughter-in-law because one, she's got a very good heart, very good conscience, and a person with a good heart and a good conscience will never go wrong
जी.
because that person will always be guided by God above.
Yes. हाँ जी. हाँ.
So and she's doing the best in spite of not knowing anything.
Yeah, she
about
is.
the Sikh
She is.
background
हाँ जी.
because I had my in-laws तो थोड़ा बहुत
गाइडेंस
गाइडेंस मिला थोड़ा सा. पर मुझे भी इतना नहीं मालूम था कि मैं इसको दे दूं. पर शी इज मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट एंड शी इज विथ एवरीवन इन पंजाब,
yes.
learning Punjabi.
हाँ जी.
And it's hats off to her.
नहीं, really.
Because she's serious about her son having come to the root, let him grow up in this.
जी. And it's a great thing.
Yes.
Because बच्चे के कहने पे डिसीजन लेना एंड उस
Yes.
चीज़ के लिए है ना. एंड मैं आपके लिए भी कहूँगी कि यू आर वेरी ग्रेसफुल एंड
thank
जो
you
आज
for saying
आपने
that.
शेयर की जो चीज़ें ना, दैट इज जो कहते हैं ना कि आपने एक्सपीरियंस से शेयर की,
Yes.
केयरिंग एंड शेयरिंग
Yes.
एंड फैमिली, हाउ टू कीप
Yes.
द फैमिली बॉन्ड, है ना.
Yes.
सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम.